Yesterday it was the high of an anointment, today it's the low of a resignation. The BJP seems to be lurching from one crisis to the other, with LK Advani now resigning from all posts that he's been holding within the BJP. I think that this is the deepest crisis that the BJP has witnessed for a long, long time. What seems to have happened is that the BJP leadership, including Mr. Modi, underestimated the extent of disappointment and disagreement that LK Advani has had with Mr. Modi's appointment. Now, the reasons for that could be several. The most important reason, according to me, is that I believe that Mr. Advani is under the impression that if Mr. Modi was to be given the charge of party's affairs, then the party would be moving in a direction which he would be very uncomfortable with. It'll also shut shop, I think, of a whole host of lateral entrants within the BJP, all of whom owe their rise and their political careers to LK Advani. That's the main reason why Advani has now gone to this extent of resigning from all positions. But I think that this is also not the last that we have seen. It is still possible that some kind of a compromise formula could be worked out between the Advani faction and the rest of the BJP. Will Advani now be forced to take back his resignation? And if indeed that happens, if he was to take back his resignation, what could be the compromise formula? Because one thing is for sure, Narendra Modi's anointment is not going to be reversed. Whatever the BJP High Command has to do has to be other than that basic option.